Reduce. Psoriasis. Vincent has psoriasis affecting 10 out of his 100 parts of his body. Reduce this fraction. So sometimes we can just see the common factors and divide them out. So in our example, you see that we have 10 and 100. And we know that these are both even numbers, so we can divide by 2. So whatever we do to the top, we're going to do to the bottom. So we're going to treat this as 2 separate division problems, essentially. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Now we know 5 and 50 both are multiples of 5. So let's divide by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 50 divided by 5 is 10. So we would say Vincent has psoriasis affecting 1/10 of his body. So let's look at another example. Cher has decided to try sunlight to help her treat her psoriasis on her knees. So she made sure she sat in the sun for a short period of time for 25 out of the last 30 days. What is the fraction of time she spent in the sun? So write your answer as a reduced fraction. So to do this, we would put 25 as the numerator divided by 30. Now, these numbers are not both even. So we know 25 and 30 both end in 0 and 5, which means they can be a multiple of 5. So now we can divide both numbers by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So we have 5/6 of the time in the last days of the last 30 days that she spent in the sun. So remember, you do not always need to find the prime factorization to reduce. Sometimes you can see these numbers and divide them out of the top and the bottom in order to reduce the fraction.